In this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide to design an amazing hero section for any business. Let's get right into it. The hero section is the place above the fold. It's what the user sees before they scroll. It is essentially the most important part of the website because if the user doesn't know who you are, what you do, how you benefit them, and what they need to do, you're going to lose customers because it's just click off and find somebody else's website. So you need to learn all this in a strategy session with your client. You'd ask them who you are, what you sell, who you sell to, and you discover all of this. The first stage is wireframing. In this part of the design process, you're just going to worry about structure. How many pages are you going to have? What's the page going to look like? Where are the elements going to be? This is all you're going to be doing in the wireframing section. Don't worry about color, just receive feedback from your client. Hey, is this okay? Does this look nice? Don't keep coloring because they start talking about, oh, no, I don't want that color. Just keep it gray, minimalistic, black, white, gray. Just discuss the structure of the website with your client. Once you get the green light, you can then move on to the next stage. The next stage in the design process would be replacing dummy text with actual headings, subtext, CTAs that you got from your client in your strategy session. We're designing a lawyer's website, so the client gave us the heading, lawyers who do their job right. If you're good at copywriting, you can suggest what they should keep on their hero section, but if they have it settled already, they know what they want. You just replace the headings and then you're good to go. The next stage in the design process would be using colors. The brand I was doing a website for already had their brand colors, so I just replaced the background with the dark bluish violet, the heading with white, and the subtext with gray. In case the brand you're doing a website for doesn't have its theme already, its colors, you can get free palettes, colors.co, coolers rather. There's Happy Hues also. There are plenty of sites that you can just get themes of colors, just replace it in your design. It's gonna look nice. Then you'd also keep in images. Make sure your images are high quality. I've seen amazing designs but are destroyed by those pixelated images. Even if you don't have your own photographer, you can get high quality images on Adobe Stock. Just don't use stock photos. Then try different layouts. Change the text, the images, the position of elements on the hero section. See what converts the most. Try one layout for a month and try another one for another month. Just see what attracts the most clients. Then once you've done that, you can stick with that. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. If it helped you out, make sure to like. Even if it didn't, still like and subscribe. See you guys next time.